Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here with the Bass Hunter, and I have to make some improvements. It doesn't have any fishing pole holders, and I got this PVC pipe, and I just gotta kind of figure out how I'm gonna do this. I figured I'd bring you guys along for the ride. I'm just trying to kind of get this thing ready for the next fishing trip. I might give up on the canoe for a little while. I actually want to catch fish, but I still love the canoe. It's great for getting out in the water. It just, for some reason, doesn't like fish, and I don't like that. So anyway, let's try this. You guys see these guys? Oh, and there they go. Don't want it like this, because this puts it at a weird angle. I don't know if I like this either. Maybe something along those lines. I'll figure it out. Alright, this will work. So I'm guessing I'm going to use these and set it up like that. Yeah, I like that. Let's see how well this works. I'm going to mark where the top is. Put an arrow so I know that means top. See? So what I'm going to do is drill some small holes and then put some small screws in, because I don't want the screws to get in the way of the fishing poles. If y'all don't have a random container full of screws in your garage, we're gonna have a serious talking. It is important to have a random assortment of screws in your garage, or you're never gonna be able to make nothing. You know? And the only way to have a random assortment of screws in your garage is to save screws. Just when you think, oh, I don't need that screw, you do. Let's bring that up one more hole. Still want to make sure it's smaller than what you're doing. I don't know if you guys can see that. Alright, so this is kind of I don't know, I'm kind of being fancy a little bit, but I am using a tap to thread plastic. Just something I came up with. I don't know if this is going to work that well, but we're going to give it a shot. I already got one side threaded. I don't know how long these will last. I'll probably eventually glue them, but this is kind of just like everything I do. This is like version 1. Alright, so that's one way to do it, and this, well, it should be adjustable. Kind of slide up and down the rail. I kind of like it right there. That's pretty cool. I don't know how long that's going to last. I mean, I threaded screws into plastic, but it's a nice thick piece of plastic. So we'll see. I'm not super happy with that. I like it, but I don't. But I think I just came up with another idea to do it. So let's try this one. All right, guys, I jumped ahead a little bit because I got a little frustrated. This, in retrospect, looks like a great idea. I like it. It's simple. I can take it off. I didn't have to drill any holes. But fishing pole, top heavy. It wants to fall down. If it wasn't hitting my awning, it would fall down. I was like, okay, well, maybe this isn't ideal. I'll turn it this way. It's pointing into the boat, but at least yeah. I don't know how to make that work. I really like that. But then I came up with this idea. Drill some big old holes so you can put a screw in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. A screw in there. Then easy peasy. Sometimes the simplest answer is the answer. I tried to get fancy and complicated because I didn't want to drill into the boat, but as you can see, the plastic got hot and it fuses together. This rail's right up high. I'm not going to leak water because of this. It's kind of sturdy. I think I need some screws that have like some better grip, but for now I think that is going to do exactly what I want it to do. And that's that. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Didn't cost me a dime. This is just spare pipe I had laying around. Man, that actually, I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy with that. I like that a lot. So I think this is pretty much it for today. Got everything kind of loaded up for the next fishing adventure. But I like how these look. I think this will work well. Got this rod set up, Texas rig. Got this one set up with braided line to avoid the stump incident that I'm not going to talk about. And this one's set up for crankbaits and frogs and other stuff like that. And I believe that's 50-pound braid, but it's super, super light. And I have my little rod set back up for jigging, and I'm hoping crappie season might start soon. So that's what I use that rod for most of the time. And my catfish rod is still MIA. So anyway, this is it. This is a nice little short video. Just thought you guys would like to see me modify the Bass Hunter a little bit, and I think these are going to work just fine for holding rods. That was the one thing that was really a big drawback for this thing, is I had nowhere to put the rods. So anyway, like, comment, subscribe, smash the bell.